Surah, number 72, of Quran Majeed. The Jinn.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
قل أوحي إلي أنه استمع نفر من الجن فقالوا إنا سمعنا قرآنا عجبا.
Say, it has been revealed to me that a team of the jinn listened to the Quran, and they said, indeed we heard a wonderful Quran.
يهدي إلى الرشد فآمنا به ولن نشرك بربنا أحدا.
Which guides to rectitude. Hence, we have believed in it and we will never ascribe any partner to our Lord.
وأنه تعالى جد ربنا ما اتخذ صاحبة ولا ولدا.
Exalted be the majesty of our Lord, he has taken neither any spouse nor son.
وأنه كان يقول سفيهنا على الله شططا.
The foolish ones among us used to speak atrocious lies concerning Allah.
وأنا ظننا أن لن تقول الإنس والجن على الله كذبا.
We thought that humans and jinn would never utter any falsehood concerning Allah.
وأنه كان رجال من الإنس يعوذون برجال من الجن فزادوهم رهقا.
Indeed, some persons from the humans would seek the protection of some persons from the jinn, thus only adding to their rebellion.
وأنهم ظنوا كما ظننتم أن لن يبعث الله أحدا.
They thought, just as you think, that Allah will not raise anyone from the dead.
وأنا لمسنا السماء فوجدناها ملئت حرسا شديدا وشهبا.
Indeed, we made for the heaven and found it full of mighty sentries and flames.
وأنا كنا نقعد منها مقاعد للسمع فمن يستمع الآن يجد له شهابا رصدا.
We used to sit in its positions to eavesdrop, but anyone listening now finds a flame waiting for him.
وأنا لا ندري أشر أريد بمن في الأرض أم أراد بهم ربهم رشدا.
We do not know whether ill is intended for those who are on the earth, or whether their Lord intends good for them.
وأنا منا الصالحون ومنا دون ذلك كنا طرائق قددا.
Among us some are righteous and some are otherwise, we are various sects.
وأنا ظننا أن لن نعجز الله في الأرض ولن نعجزه هربا.
We know that we cannot frustrate Allah on the earth, nor can we frustrate him by fleeing.
وأنا لما سمعنا الهدى آمنا به فمن يؤمن بربه فلا يخاف بخسا ولا رهقا.
When we heard their message of guidance, we believed in it. Whoever that has faith in his Lord will fear neither privation nor oppression.
وأنا منا المسلمون ومنا القاسطون فمن أسلم فأولئك تحروا رشدا.
Among us some are Muslims and some of us are perverse. Those who submit to Allah, it is they who pursue rectitude.
وأما القاسطون فكانوا لجهنم حطبا.
As for the perverse, they will be firewood for hell.
وأن لو استقاموا على الطريقة لأسقيناهم ماء غدقا.
If they are steadfast on the path of Allah, we shall provide them with abundant water.
لنفتنهم فيه ومن يعرض عن ذكر ربه يسلكه عذابا صعدا.
So that we may test them therein, and whoever turns away from the remembrance of his Lord, he will let him into an escalating punishment.
وأن المساجد لله فلا تدعوا مع الله أحدا.
The places of worship belong to Allah, so do not invoke anyone along with Allah.
وأنه لما قام عبد الله يدعوه كادوا يكونون عليه لبدا.
When the servant of Allah rose to pray to him, they almost crowded around him.
قل إنما أدعو ربي ولا أشرك به أحدا.
Say, I pray only to my Lord, and I do not ascribe any partner to him.
قل إني لا أملك لكم ضرا ولا رشدا.
Say, I have no power to bring you any harm or good, of my own accord.
قل إني لن يجيرني من الله أحد ولن أجد من دونه ملتحدا.
Say, neither can anyone shelter me from Allah, nor can I find any refuge besides him.
إلا بلاغا من الله ورسالاته ومن يعص الله ورسوله فإن له نار جهنم خالدين فيها أبدا.
I have no duty, except to transmit from Allah, and to communicate his messages, and whoever disobeys Allah and his apostle, there will indeed be for him the fire of hell, to remain in it forever.
حتى إذا رأوا ما يوعدون فسيعلمون من أضعف ناصرا وأقل عددا.
When they see what they are promised, they will know who is weaker in supporters and fewer in numbers.
قل إن أدري أقريب ما توعدون أم يجعل له ربي أمدا.
Say, I do not know if what you are promised is near, or if my Lord has set a long term for it.
عالم الغيب فلا يظهر على غيبه أحدا.
Knower of the unseen, he does not disclose his knowledge of the unseen to anyone.
إلا من ارتضى من رسول فإنه يسلك من بين يديه ومن خلفه رصدا.
Except to an apostle he approves of. Then he dispatches a sentinel before and behind him.
ليعلم أن قد أبلغوا رسالات ربهم وأحاط بما لديهم وأحصى كل شيء عددا.
So that he may ascertain that they have communicated the messages of their Lord, and he encompasses all that is with them, and he keeps an count of all things.